Hey everybody, Matthew here, and I am in a very prickly situation amongst the Cereus Peruvianus. Now, not serious as in serious, but serious as in serious. C-E-R-E-U-S, Cereus Peruvianus. These bad boys are as easy as it gets after you planted them. Now, we plant these, we'll wrap old towels around them to handle them. But once you get them in the ground, you can walk away and do nothing. Get them in the full sun. They grow fairly slow, they do branch, they do make other pups around them. They can get a little bit over your head, 8 or so feet tall, with some branching. But the best part is when they mature and they flower. And I'm sure our awesome marketing team is going to throw in a picture somewhere. I do this and they hate it, but there's going to be some kind of picture of a Cereus Peruvianus flower. They're going to find that, we're going to pop it up here because it's the flower that blooms at night that is the most amazing part of this plant. I mean, these are really cool. And when they fill in and they thicken up, they make a really nice clump. It's gonna be a showstopper. Make sure they're in the full sun and well drained. You don't want them in low, wet areas. They don't like it low and wet. They want it high, dry, hot, and sunny. Very easy to grow. I've even seen people bring these indoors and put them in a sunny window. That can work as well. So come check them out, Cereus Peruvianus. We have them here at Earthworks. They are a really awesome specimen. Don't forget, check us out on our Instagram, our Facebook, and our YouTube channel for more gardening tips and tricks to keep you growing all year round. See you guys next time.